it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today I have my box, my July Wiff box right here from Scentsy. So every month Scentsy has a box that you can get called the Wiff Box, and it's $30. And for that $30, you get a variety of different Scentsy items that you can try. So this is a great way to explore Scentsy if you're new to it. The only thing I've always told people is they typically always send you bars. So unless you have something to melt the bars in, a warmer, this will probably not be a good subscription for you. You need some type of warmer. You can use your own warmer. The only thing is that Scentsy's bars melt at a lower heat than other warmers. So my daughter had gotten me a warmer, I think from Target, and it almost burns the wax. It starts steaming, and that is not good. So their wax, Scentsy's wax, is warmer. It's softer, and it melts just over room temperature, and then it scents up your home. So it's non-toxic, it's safe for animals and babies, and you can stick your finger in the wax so you won't burn yourself, which is really cool. So I like using our warmers because they're specifically made for our wax, and that way you get a better scent throughout your home. So anyway, back to Wiff Box. Wiff Box is $30 a month. You always get a little bit more, like $35 to $38 worth of product for that $30, and it's a way for me to explore, because I'm new to Scentsy too, for me to explore new items. So this month I'm excited. We did get a new, and I haven't even opened this, a new fragrance flower. Which one is this? What is the scent? How do we know? Aloe water and cucumber. So they come like this, and actually this was good timing because I think 2 months ago I got one in pink cotton, and that one's about done in my bathroom. So let's open this one up. We do have a new, I don't know if that's what this is or not, but we do have a new scent flower. It's like a daffodil bloom or something. It's a different shape of a flower. The one that I had showed you guys last time was a dahlia. Let's see that's what this one is too, is a dahlia. So you get your flower, and these are normally I think $18. And there's a couple fun things. Maybe I'll do that with this. Maybe I'll put marker this one up and show you what it looks like painted. So this has a wick right here, and this is made out of wood. These are handmade out of wood chips. And then you get your thing of oil. Like my oil and my other, there's a lot of oil in that one. My other oil is like down to here. You're going to take the top off. You have this little part. You're going to put your flower in. It's such a cute little display for your desk. One of the things that you can do is two things. You can either color the oil, and then the colored oil with food drops will go into the leaves and change the color just like a flower. Or what a lot of people are doing is they're just taking along the edge of these flowers some like pink and blue or pink and purple markers, whatever, and they're coloring it. Within 48 hours, the flower is fully soaked with oil, and it looks like a watercolored flower. Very beautiful. In fact, I'll put a couple up on the screen that I've seen so you can see what I'm talking about, but they all come like this. Also, if you do color them with the markers, it avoids any kind of warranty on them, but I don't know what you would need a warranty on here for. I mean, it's oil and water, so just as long as you check it and make sure it's not broke when it comes in. So you take the top out. Oh, I might have to do this. It's got a, yeah, I don't know if I can get it out. I don't have any, I need to get something to get this out. But there's a little, can you guys see that? I got to get that out to put this in. So I'll do that in a little bit because I'm going to have to work on that. All right, so that was one of our items in the box. And then we got two little samples. These, and they usually have some samples in here. These are the washer whiffs, both of them. Amazon Rain washer whiffs. You just put a packet of these in when you throw them in the top of your laundry. And they are like little crystals that dissolve in with the laundry detergent and stuff, and they smell amazing. They come in all different types of scents. Clothesline is a really good scent. Aloe water and cucumber is a good scent. Amazon Rain, we have lavender, and we have pink cotton. I don't even know all of the different, Luna is another one, Jammy Time, black raspberry vanilla. We have a bunch of different scents. So these are going to be used. These, since they're samples, a lot of times what I'll do is, like, if I'm traveling, you can throw these in your bag. I do laundry like when I visit my mom, and I want my laundry to still smell good. And she actually has some stuff that's really like cheap, and it bothers my eczema. So far, you guys have asked me if this bothers my eczema. So far it's not, but it is summer, and my eczema problem usually is in like the fall and winter when it's really cold and dry. So as of right now, I'm not having a problem with them, but they are heavily scented. So we got 2 of those. We also got a pineapple coconut vanilla hand cream. I actually got the pineapple coconut vanilla hand soap in my kitchen right now, and this is the matching hand cream, which you should use after you're washing your hands. You want your hands to stay moisturized. All the washing and all of the stuff we've been doing to keep our hands clean is, causing people to have dry hands. So the lotions are selling really well, and the little hand soaps are selling really well. So that's a great one, and I'll just put that right with the soap because that's what I'm using currently anyway. And then any bars that you get, they put in here. You always get a scent of the month in here. Like you get a sample of the upcoming scent. But I think I got the same. Oh no, I did. Okay, hold on. I'm wrong. Let me see. Did I put it? Okay, here we go. So you get these little samples. So there's 2 in here. I got the one for August, which is aloe vera and ivy. It's because this was January's box. Okay, sorry, I got a phone call came in. Okay, so this was July's box. So August, the scent of the month, you get it in July. You get a sample, like a sneak sniff of the following month's scent of the month, and that was aloe vera and ivy. I'm not going to open this because I have a whole bunch of these because I am subscribed as a consultant to the scent of the month and the warmer of the month club, so I get the bars to make samples and things, and I get the warmer. And the warmer of the month for August, I'll put a picture. It is so cute. It's a little home. It says bless this home. Oh my goodness, it's adorable. And this aloe water and ivy, this is not my favorite scent, to be completely honest with you. It's kind of like a mix of floral and fresh, and it's okay, but it's not my favorite. I'm guessing that this one here, this is Mahalo Coconut. I'm guessing that this is the scent of the month for maybe, no, I don't think it is. Maybe this is just a new scent that's coming out in the line. I don't know. Oh, but it's nice. Oh, that's so nice. That is like a sweet coconut. There's something more than coconut in here. Pineapple. It's a pineapple and coconut. I don't know what this is, so we got a second one in here. So I guess that's a to be determined surprise. We'll see what that is. And then we got a couple of bars, and they give you new bars to try. I do think these are retiring or retired as of yesterday, but it's nice to get this because it does like introduce you to maybe bars you wouldn't have purchased that you can try and see if you like the scent. So I actually have both of these. This is cocoa. No, I don't have this one. Cocoa lime. I don't have this one. And then I have go-go mango. I do have go-go mango, which I like. I have this in a room spray. And oh, that smells nice. And I have this in the wax. I do like it. It's definitely a very fruity mango scent in this pretty coral color, pink coral color. And this one, I have Fiesta Lime. I do not have Cocoa Lime. So let's smell this one. Oh, that is lime. That is a nice lime, but it is like pure lime. Like the Fiesta Lime one that I have almost smells like a candied lime. This one just smells like a really good lime smell. I like that one. I think I'm gonna put that in the bathroom. So that is my entire Wiff Box. Now, the Wiff Boxes are running out. I will put a link below if they are available it's August 1st right now. So if they are available, you'll be able to purchase them. Sometimes they're making you join Scentsy Club, and then you can add, the club's free to join. You can add this in, and it's a monthly subscription at that point. Every month you'll get your Wiff Box. So if you'd like to get it as a monthly subscription, join Scentsy Club. I'll put a Scentsy Club link below, and then add the Wiff Box to it. That way you'll always have it. If you just want one box, the Wiff Box will be below, and you just click that link and add it to your cart. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks guys for watching. All my Scentsy information will be below if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!